It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 3rd of June. I'm James Spann. Again today, warm and muggy with scattered showers and storms, and then we trend drier tomorrow and Saturday with fewer showers around. Here's the upper air look this morning. Once again, we have a trough north and west of the state providing some dynamic support for the scattered storms that formed today. That was the radar early this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. We had some fairly heavy storms in progress over parts of North Alabama, moving east. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s and 70s. We have 66 for Cullman, Birmingham at 74, highs in the low and mid 80s in most spots today. There's the watch warning map. Still got some heat advisories for states like Montana, Idaho, and Washington State under a ridge up in the northwest. And the east is fairly quiet. Got a flash flood watch for parts of North Carolina and the southeastern tip of Virginia. A risk of severe storms over parts of the eastern U.S. today. The higher probabilities include Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia. In Alabama, we have a low-end marginal risk for areas east of a line from near Muscle Shoals down to Montgomery and Eufaula. And like yesterday, the heavier storms there could produce some small hail, strong gusty winds later today. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks well to the northwest and east of here. And day 3, which is Saturday. There could be a rumble of thunder over the southern half of the state, but no severe weather expected. And really, much of Alabama should be dry on Saturday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the bigger numbers, southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. For Alabama, the amounts mostly under 1 inch between now and Thursday morning of next week. And off in the tropics, once again this morning, all is quiet in the Atlantic basin. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. Again, troughing just north and west of here, and we will see scattered showers and storms around. This is what the radar could look like at 4 o'clock today. We all know it won't look exactly like this, but we'll have scattered storms around, especially in areas east and south of Birmingham. And where the storms do form this afternoon, especially over the eastern side of the state there, they could produce some small hail, strong gusty winds. Otherwise, warm, muggy, highs in the 80s today. This is tomorrow. Showers probably thinning out as the precipitable water values come down. This is the high-res NAM at 5 o'clock, really showing nothing for much of the state. Maybe a few scattered showers over South Alabama. Highs tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. And this is Saturday. Should be a relatively dry day. Now, again, there could be a little shower somewhere, but most locations dry, partially sunny, highs, upper 80s. Some spots may be touching 90. And then Sunday, moisture increases again. And we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms, especially Sunday afternoon. The high Sunday will be in the mid-80s. And next week, it's just going to be warm and muggy with scattered showers and storms. There's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Better chance of the storms afternoon and evening hours, but you can't rule out a late night or morning shower. This is a week from today, Thursday, June the 10th. Got the troughing back in the northwest, a big ridge over much of the contiguous United States with the westerlies up in Canada. And again, hot, muggy, maybe a pop-up storm in spots. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, June the 12th. Got a 588 upper high over us, and that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 17th of June. Highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s on through June 13th. And the CPC outlook, this is for June the 10th through June 16th, and if this verifies, temperatures for much of the state should be pretty close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.